If you're looking for a new stroller, this one by Graco is fantastic. There are no tools required to put it together. It only took my husband a couple of minutes. All you have to do is attach the wheels and then a couple of the extra pieces. Honestly, it probably took us longer to figure out how to open it up than actually put it together. But once we did, I can't wait to show you all these really great features. So this part here, this is like kind of like the little sun visor. This was really easy to put on. You just kind of Velcro, snap it onto the side, and of course you can adjust how you want to put this on, just in case if it's not sunny, you can take that off, which is great. And then of course you have your little tray here, so you can have their little some snacks and something to drink. And of course, you know, you've got all of their little safety belts here, their seat belts going on right here. And then up here at the top for mom, of course, you know, if you have your water bottle, maybe you have some wipes, maybe you have, you know, some goldfish, a little snack here too to munch on. So you've got that up here at the top. This of course can just easily be removed if you do not want that. There is this little strap here. You can decide. They are saying, like, you know, let's say you're standing, you can kind of put this around your wrist to stop it from, you know, rolling away, or if, you know, accidentally rolling, you grab it. But to prevent that, you actually have some locks down here on the wheel, so you can lock both of the wheels, so then it is not going to roll away, which is really great. And then you have the fantastic extra large basket down here, so you can be putting your diaper bag, or if you're going shopping, you can put anything down there as well. And then to adjust, so like if the baby is sitting up or laying down, we actually have that right back here. And then so this just gets you pull that, and then if the baby's having a nap, you can bring that down, or the little straps, you just kind of pull that up, and then you can go back into the sitting position, which is really great. Makes it nice and easy. If you notice they fall asleep, you don't have to bug them up here. You just do it right here from the back. And then to fold it, it was really funny. I was looking for it. So it says there's like a little handle underneath the seat, and I was like looking underneath, but it's literally right here. So this is this strap here that you're going to grab. You're going to pull on that, and then look at that. Then it just folds, and then you got this great handle that you can grab this, and then you can put it in the trunk of the car. So other thing, just before I go, the wheels, as you can see, really big wheels. You've got the 3 wheels. So this is really great if you're like running or jogging, and you also do have the little reflectors as well.